How to fix any DMs or messages problem on Instagram. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple, so please keep watching until the end and I am sure your problems is gonna be solved. First thing, go to the settings on your phone and scroll down until you find the apps manager on your phone. Right here on this page, all what you have to do is go to apps. Now it will take you here. All what you have to do here is search for Instagram and click on it. And after you click on it, right here on this page you will find the app informations, as you can see. So all what you have to do is click on permissions and make sure to enable all those permissions right here, and then go back and click on the storage option and make sure to clear data and clear the cache. And after that, go back. Now all what you have to do is click on open by default and make sure to click on this option and make it always allow. Then click cancel, go back. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone, then reopen Instagram. The problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.